Space is the final frontier, but it's also the ultimate freak show. The deeper we look into the cosmos, the weirder things get. HD 189733b is a gas giant just 63 light-years away, and its atmosphere contains silicate particles. Every year, it moves about 3.8 centimeters farther from us. It's nearly a billion light-years across and contains almost no galaxies. It's so empty, if you were in the center of it, you wouldn't see a single star in any direction. Just black forever. This means that millions of years from now, total solar eclipses will no longer happen. The moon will be too far away to fully block the sun, and humans might not be around to care. Unlike most white dwarfs, it's missing the usual hydrogen and helium layers. It's just a hot glowing sphere of oxygen. Scientists are still trying to explain how that even happens. This is called an Einstein ring, and it happens when the gravity of a massive object like a black hole or galaxy bends light from a more distant object into a perfect halo. It's not CGI, it's physics, and it looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie poster. Winds reach 5,400 miles per hour, so when it rains glass, it doesn't fall, it slices through the air sideways. The Andromeda Galaxy is on a collision course with the Milky Way, and in about 4 billion years, the two will merge into a new galaxy some are calling Milkomeda. You lose consciousness after a few seconds, but if you rescue quickly and are pressurized, you can make a full recovery. Of course, you get frostbite, your lungs would collapse, and your blood would start to boil, but technically, survival is possible. Just don't try it. But don't worry, because stars are so far apart, it's likely no two will actually crash. It'll be the quietest apocalypse in history. It's basically a death blender with a view, from stars that scream to planets with glass rain. Here are 10 space facts that sound fake, but are absolutely true. Let us kick it off with this. There is a planet where it rains molten glass sideways. These 10 facts are a tiny glimpse into how strange the cosmos really is. We may never fully understand it, but one thing's for sure, space is way weirder than we ever imagined. Now for something closer to home. The moon is slowly drifting away from Earth. As you cross the event horizon, your time relative to the outside universe would slow infinitely. From your perspective, you fall in normally, but from someone watching, you freeze in place, stretching into infinity. Solar storms, caused by bursts of plasma from the sun, can slam into Earth's magnetic field. In 1989, a solar storm blacked out Quebec for 9 hours. A stronger one today could shut down satellites, GPS, and entire electrical grids. Meanwhile, your atoms, they'd be getting shredded. Fact 3 is a little terrifying. There's a region in space called the Boots Void Cosmic. Desert so large, it's been nicknamed the Great Nothing. Here's a disturbing one. If you fell into a black hole, time would stop for you. Let's talk about stars specifically, zombie stars. These are white dwarfs that explode as supernovae, but somehow survive. After blowing themselves apart, they can pull themselves back together and keep burning. They die, resurrect, and explode again like cosmic undead. The universe has its own version of horror movies. Here is a weird one. Space has weather and it can knock out Earth's power grids. Want something even stranger? There's a star made almost entirely of oxygen. It's called SDSSJ 124 plus 6710, and it shouldn't exist. Now imagine this. Entire galaxies are colliding as we speak. Get ready for your brain to melt. Space can bend light into a circle. And finally, the wildest one, you can survive in space, but only for about 15 seconds. Your body won't instantly freeze or explode. The universe is beautiful. It's vast. And it's completely insane.